Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Just wanted to show you real quickly some postcards I received for Press 1, okay? For this next quarter, in the next couple months, I'm going to be mailing postcards, okay? So let me show you these postcards that I have ordered. They're finally in, and I'm excited to show them to you. Check it out. Hang on. Okay, fire your boss, guys. Aren't these super duper amazing? Fire your boss, right? You make $200 per sale with Press 1 cash. And I've got these awesome postcards. I'm covering up the number because I purchased another number just for this postcard campaign, okay? So I wanted to go to a different number, and I'm going to be using these postcards, okay? So if you're interested in joining me in Press 1 Cash, I've got the right postcards for you guys. You can mail these postcards. They're in glossy. They're full color glossy, just happen to be white. They have a nice glossy finish on them, okay? Okay, so I'll put the link below for you to join me in Press 1 Cash, and I will get you the resource that I have for these Fire Your Boss postcards. All right, guys, I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? All right, till next time, I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.